People, I gotta show you what he has done to this car. This is a mess. The car is disassembled. No, and he's not a mechanic. He actually what do you do, John?
A lot of things.
He's a wannabe mechanic.
No, I never wanted to be a mechanic, that's for sure.
A mechanic would never do this. This is what a body man has to do after a car's been totaled, trying to fix them up. Mechanic can't get in this kind of stuff. Everything is unplugged. I'm gonna send this picture to Sandy, this video to Sandy. See? Would you look at your car that you spent all that money on? I think we're gonna need another car. John's been playing in this one. Yeah, definitely. Clean it up.
We get why we got it like this, but I want to get some of these grease points greased because like all these here, back that out, get some grease underneath there, get it down in there good.
I don't know, because you know, John, they got that tight so that they don't move. That's what those things are for.
Yeah, I know that, but
If you get grease in there, it might move. Never seen the lever so hard, have you? Don't make sense. It's like say something like it's bent somewhere.